Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Toyota Corolla on level ground and set the parking brake. Chock rear wheels before lifting. Use a hydraulic jack and place the car on 2-ton jack stands for safety. Never rely on the jack alone. Gather tools: 17mm and 19mm sockets, a 3/4-inch breaker bar, penetrating oil, a ball joint press kit, and an 18-inch pry bar. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and have a torque wrench rated to 100 FTLB ready for final tightening. After lifting and securing the car, remove the wheel and unbolt the brake caliper. Hang the caliper with wire and support the rotor to expose the hub. Disconnect the tie rod end and sway bar link, then loosen the lower control arm mounting bolts using 17mm and 19mm sockets while supporting the arm. Remove the control arm from the chassis and use a ball joint press or C-clamp adapter to press the old ball joint out of the arm. Avoid striking the spindle or knuckle to prevent damage to bearings and seals. Press the replacement ball joint into the control arm, seating it flush and perpendicular. Use the ball joint press slowly to avoid deforming the joint. Reinstall the control arm, hand-tighten bolts, then torque the mounting bolts to the Toyota specified values listed in the service manual using your torque wrench. Reconnect the tie rod end and sway bar link, reinstall the brake caliper and wheel, and torque lug nuts evenly. Lower the vehicle. Perform final torque checks, and schedule a wheel alignment to restore correct toe and camber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.